Let's try to solve these equations. First step is write Ax equal to B, that is straightforward. Second step is find out the augmented matrix AB. So this is A and this is B. I found out the augmented matrix AB. And the next step is apply the row transformations to get the echelon form. So I want to use this element and then make these elements as 0, but then it is bit complex because it is not equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then it will be easy for me. So just to make this element as 1, I am interchanging first row and second row. So I got this. Now using this element, I want to make these two elements as zeros. For that reason, I'll be multiplying first row with 2 and adding it to row 2, and I'll be multiplying first row with 3 and adding it with row 3. Then I got this. Okay, and next one is I want to use this one and I want to make this one as 0. For that reason, I'm just multiplying this one with first of all with 7, and then this one with 3, and then this one with 7, so that both of them will become I'll multiply this one with 3 and this one with 7, and I subtract from the second one this one, which means I'll multiply this entire row with 3 first. I multiplied it, and next I'll multiply this entire row with 7, and then I subtract this result from this result. Then I got this. Multiplied this one with 3 and multiplied R2 with 7 and subtracted. Then I got this. Okay. Now this is in echelon form, clearly, right? So if you observe the matrix A itself, its rank is 3. If you are not able to observe, where to stop, we are not able to know where to stop, you can clearly see this. This is a upper triangular matrix, and therefore the determinant is this. Therefore A is a 3 by 3 matrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. So rank of the matrix A equal to 3. Rank of the matrix A equal to 3. And whenever rank of A happens to be 3, rank of AB also happens to be 3. The reason is it cannot be 4 because there is no 4 by 4 matrix in this. There is just 4 by 3 matrix. Therefore the maximum rank of AB can be 3, and it happened to be 3, so you can stop there. So rank of A equal to 3 and rank of AB is also equal to 3 because AB is containing in itself the matrix, a submatrix A whose determinant is not equal to 0. Therefore the rank of this one is also equal to 3. So rank of both the matrices are equal. So what does it mean? It means that it is consistent. What does it mean? It means that we have solution is existing. So in that case, I'll continue further and I'll try to find out the equivalent equations to those equations, and then I'll try to solve it. Then how many solutions will be there? Here it is consistent, it is fine. How many solutions will be there? That will be equal to n minus r, linearly independent solutions, right? Sorry, whenever how many solutions equal to there? In this case, n happen to be r. It is not n minus r. N is equal to r. Number of unknowns is equal to the rank of A, that is equal to rank of AB. So in this case, there exists a unique solution. Now we are supposed to find out the unique solution. Now see this. I am just simplifying it a bit further so that when I write the equations, it will be in the simplest form possible. I can multiply this entire row 3 with minus 38, so that I can make these elements as 1 and 2. I am multiplying the entire row. Okay. And now this particular matrix which we got from the original, if you can write the equations from this, the given set of equations and this set of equations will be equivalent to each other, which means whatever solutions you get for this will also happen to be the solution for that. So what I am trying to say is, you can take this one and you can write it in the equations form, and when you write it in the equations form, you got this, right? And it is clear that z equal to 2, and if you substitute z equal to 2 here, it will be 10. You send it this side, it will be 6, and 3 by 6 is 2, which means y is also equal to 2. If you substitute x and z and y as 2 here, and if you do the manipulations, then you will find out that x is also equal to 2. So this is the unique solution. So what is this example? Observe this. So in this one, we observe that rank of A is equal to rank of AB, and first thing that they will ask you is, one of the questions is it consistent? Yes, the system of equations is consistent. And the second is, number of unknowns is equal to the rank of the matrix. Therefore, what can we say about it? There exists unique number of solutions. What if number of unknowns are greater than r? Then there will be infinite number of solutions. The earlier example we have seen. Okay, for this one, unique solution. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.